If your air conditioner does not cool after maintenance, start with quick checks that homeowners can complete safely and without special tools. First, confirm all electrical components are reconnected by inspecting the service panel and the outdoor unit switch. Turn off power at the thermostat and the outdoor disconnect before visually checking wire terminals for looseness or disconnected pigtails. Then restore power and listen for the compressor and fan to start. Check for blown fuses or trip disconnects in the outdoor unit and in the main breaker panel. Reset tripped breakers and replace blown fuses with the exact same type and rating, and never substitute a higher rating. Verify the filter is properly seated and not blocking airflow by removing it, holding it up to light to see through it, and replacing it with a clean filter if visibility is poor. A clogged filter can mimic system failure by starving the evaporator of airflow. Confirm thermostat settings by ensuring it is set to cooling, the temperature is set at least 5 degrees below room temperature, and the fan is set to auto rather than on so the compressor cycles correctly. If the system still does not cool, check that the outdoor unit has at least 2 feet of clearance and that the condenser coil is free of heavy debris or insect nests, as restricted airflow will prevent heat rejection. The 3 most common problems we see are power or wiring issues, airflow restrictions, and thermostat misconfiguration. For power and wiring, double-check the outdoor disconnect and breaker, and if any wires appear burned or terminals are loose, power down and call a technician rather than continuing to operate the system. For airflow restrictions, remove and inspect the filter, clean return vents, and clear debris from the outdoor unit to restore proper airflow, replacing the filter if it is older than 3 months under normal use. For thermostat problems, replace batteries, confirm the thermostat is calibrated by comparing room temperature to the thermostat reading, and temporarily set the fan to on to verify the indoor blower runs. If the thermostat is still unreliable, swap it with a known good one for testing or consult a pro. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics like air conditioning, troubleshooting, and repair. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work. And we host a community discussion area where members share tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations.